arrived at New York City, and it is the start of Gold Rush. Let's get it. All right, so we are here at the start of Gold Rush 2021, New York City, Manhattan, the kickoff point for this year's Gold Rush Rally, and this stuff is wild right now. There's so many nice cars, crazy Mazzaphilia and Urus right there, Ford GT somewhere, I can't see, it's too bright out over there, but I'm gonna show you guys some behind the scenes footage from the red camera and the 360 cam, so check this stuff out. No, that's okay. Is she gonna stay there? Stay. I don't know if you guys can see this from here. I'm gonna go up close, but this Furcon is all carbon. Look at this. I'm with Team Salomon, Sid. Brian, give us a rundown of what's happening here.
All right, this is the launch of the Gold Rush Rally. The Gold Rush Rally goes state to state, usually about 3,000 miles. It is a rolling carnival. It is the best thing, a movable feast. I highly recommend it. Greatest American rally.
And that was the start of Gold Rush 2021.